Folks, First Warn 5 Doppler Network over the valley has been pretty quiet today. We've seen a little blip show up, but nothing significant. If you got rained on, you were one of the few, because right now, this is just showing absolutely nothing left out there. This is an hour-long loop, and there's nothing around. Now, Future Track suggests, this is the high-resolution model, that it's quiet overnight, but then just a couple of green splotches show up during the daytime tomorrow, so an isolated shower. There's a little bit of yellow in there, so maybe a brief downpour in a couple of places, but for the most part, tomorrow's a dry day, and then I think Wednesday, Thursday, and beyond, they all look dry. I don't see any real source of rain after tomorrow, and even tomorrow's chance only putting it at 20%. So most areas stay dry tomorrow. Isolated shower pops up. Could there be a little thunder and lightning? It's possible, but again, we're talking a very small part of the valley seeing anything, and then Wednesday, Thursday, we don't see anything at all. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now: 90 in Brownsville, 87 at the coast in Port Isabel. Harlingen's 90, back to the west, 93, 94 degrees. Overnight, mid to upper 70s for lows once again, on the beach about 81 for the low there. Here in Weslaco, McAllen about 77 degrees, a warm and humid night. And then tomorrow back in the 90s, valley-wide, 94 McAllen. The exception will be the island, topping out at about 88 degrees under partly to, let's just say with partly sunny skies with that isolated shower popping up. Numbers are down just a little bit tomorrow because of the extra clouds and that isolated shower. Then we bounce back 96 on Wednesday and Thursday as the rain chance fades away pretty quickly. Yeah, you look at the map of Texas, there's been some pretty good rain in central Texas and the hill country today. A lot of advisories, flood advisories are out around San Antonio, and Houston saw some good rain earlier. But for us, it's the stuff out in the Gulf of Mexico that's pushing westward. Not a lot to it, and that's why our chance of rain, of widespread rain, is not very good. But that small increase in moisture will continue pushing inland, and again, spotty stuff shows up during the daytime tomorrow, but after tomorrow it's gone. Not much else out there. A little moisture out in the eastern and central part of the Gulf, but down here, we're just dry and likely to stay that way. Again, for the foreseeable future after tomorrow, looks like things are going to dry out. Tropics, a little bit of a different story. We have Tropical Storm Chris off the coast of South Carolina, moving off to the northeast. It's stationary right now, but it's expected to move kind of parallel to the northeast coast of the U.S. And the remnants of Beryl right now, right over Puerto Rico, expected to eventually turn to the north. It's got a 50% chance of redeveloping over the next 5 days, but again, it's going to turn northward, not make it into the Gulf of Mexico, so that not a threat to us, but we'll watch it nonetheless. At our coast, southeast winds about 10 to 15 knots. There's a moderate chop on the bay. The UV index is extreme. The bay temperature is 84. The surf is 80. High temperature at the island tomorrow between 88 and 90 degrees. So for tonight, 77 for a low, partly cloudy, warm and humid. East southeasterly winds not much more than about 6 to 12. Then tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. Can't rule out a stray shower. 92 for the high. Again, your chance of rain tomorrow stands at about 20% with the southeast wind. 20% tomorrow, then we're dry Wednesday and Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and probably Sunday and Monday as well. We just don't see anything now after tomorrow to trigger any significant rain. The other side of that is the tropical door is open. There's an awful lot of moisture that could sneak in. So while we've got a dry forecast right now, this is changeable. Confidence is moderate that we stay dry the next 7 days. We could sneak something in, though. We'll have to watch and see how things pan out between now and the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.